Hey guys, welcome back to the Fibonacci Swings. This is Obakar and welcome back to the weekly outlook program 2026. And this is 5 April 2026 and today is Sunday. It's very cloudy day here and we're praying for the peace all around the world. And it is the last day for the contract between the Trump and Iran as they were negotiating. And we're expecting that it should be like peaceful and also today the OPEC meeting. It's happening because there is an official statement press conference that deals with the OPEC because it's a meeting between the 12 or 13 oil countries. Still, there is a no meeting update left yet. We will see it how it goes, and you can see all the updates on my Telegram channel. It is the Fibonacci Swings. You can find the link in the description. First thing first, we will be going around the nuclear weekly outlook calendar, and after that, we will see how it is doing on. Okay, so right now, this is a weekly outlook calendar which I got it from the forexfactory.com. You can use that website to basically get this calendar. So, all my timing right over here is based upon the Indian Standard Time because I live in India. That's why. First thing first, sorry, what just happened here? Maybe I'll say this is in the back layer, so I will just bring it to the front layer. So right over here, that's why it's showing up. Just wait. Okay. So right over here, first thing first, we have the OPEC meeting right over here. You can see it's the OPEC JMCC meeting right over here, which was on the Sunday, and it's happening right over here. And after, we got no updates yet. After that, on the Mondays, we have like bank holidays in the Europe and Britain. We have the bank holidays. So on the currencies, I don't expecting like not that good move. On the USD, we have like ISM services PMI that is on like 7:30. I guess it's a 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's the meeting of ISM Services PMI. Tuesday we have like no news day, but it could be like the day which we can form a low of the week or high of the week. After the Wednesday we have the FOMC meetings, not a FOMC meeting. That's also like major news, but it does not impact that much. After that, we have like Thursday, we have like core PP, the final GDP numbers and the core PCE price index. That is on the 6 p.m. That's I think 8:30 news driver. After that, we have the Friday 6 p.m. another 8:30 driver, and we have on that day we have the core CPI. Not that much around this week, according to the news, because there's a bank holiday on the Monday. The Tuesdays are like no news day, but as global tension are rising and we can expect a very good move on the gold and other currencies too, but it depends upon the how this will play out, as we are praying for the peace, and peace should happen all across the globe, because we are praying for it. Also, we are traders and we are making money from the global volatility, but we don't want any of the sun to be hurted and any of the sun to be killed by someone uh, without any sort of mistakes. So right now we are at the gold. The current price is 4676.49, and right now we are near this 4 hour fair value gap. Let's go to the daily time frame first and see what exactly has happened in the past week. So in the past week, we can see we have rejected from this FVG area. We have came down to this FVG area. Now between these two FVG area, we can expect a consolidation right over here. But to be honest, in my sentence, I'm expecting this FVG to be basically fail. Price will take out either this low and this low, then we can continue higher, and that should be my major thing, because if we don't have like any breakout structure right over here, we don't have like any major breakout structure right over here. So what I'm expecting is price to basically react from this H4 4 hour fair value gap, and then it can come down, take out these liquidities right over here, first target, and the second target should be this one, and after that we can move higher. That should be like the ideal situation which I'm looking for, and we can continue higher. For this week, what I'm expecting is, let me open the 4 hour chart, so we can see all this regression which has happened right over here from like 26th of March until the first week of April, the first day of April. So all this regression, I want price to basically flush out all these regression, and then we can continue higher. So what I'm expecting is basically price to react from this FVG area. Either ideally it should form a high of the week near about this FVG area, just like this, and then we can continue down. So wait, so I'm expecting this type of structure, so then we can continue down. And for this week, my first target should be like this liquidity right over here, 4403 level, and after that I'm expecting this area to be taken out at the final of the stage, I'm expecting this area to be taken out, and after that we can basically move towards the other high. So this week, ideally, I am the bearish, and I'm looking for the bearish returns, not for the bullish returns. And if we measure it from the low to high, let's measure it from the this low and take, sorry, let me open my Fibonacci tool. Let me take this low up to this high. So if we take this low to this high right over here, we can see like the we have not touched the zero point 0.5 level yet. So I'm expecting price to basically take out these liquidities right over here. Price should come below the 50% area, and then we can plunge higher. And this is what I'm expecting on the gold. Let's move on to the GBP USD. This is Nasdaq. Let me move the GBP USD for like the better updates. Okay, here is the GBP USD, and it has happened as we expected the last week. So right now we are here where we have reacted from this H4 FEG area right over here. We were consolidating right over here, and now we are consolidating. We are currently between this range. So what I am expecting is, if price really want to go bullish, it should take out these lows first, give us a clear shift in the market structure, and then it should continue higher. So what I'm expecting for this week is, ideally price should take out these high, and price should go like this. So what I'm expecting from this price is, from this low it should be like protected, price will go higher up to this area and give us a type of shift here, then we can continue lower up to this area, and after that I will be looking for like another structure shift from this area to basically continue higher. So we can target these liquidities, these relative equal lows right over here. But for this week, what I'm expecting is basically price to plunge higher. Basically, look at this FVG area, then we can come down, take out this low, and then after that, whatever price provide us, we will trade that. But this week, I am ideally bearish on the GBP USD too. Let's go to the uh, Euro USD. It should be like similar to the GBP USD, but there are some basically the differences. So same like this, I'm expecting this area to be taken out right over here. Price will take out this area, then it will come down. So right over like this, price will come down, taken out this low too, and reacting from this fair value gap, we will see how exactly this fair value gap plays out. On the higher time frame, we have this SMT right over here, because on the GBP price has taken out these lows, but on the euro price has not taken out these lows, creating a correlation right over here. So what I'm expecting is, if this is a valid SMT, price should respect this area, and it should not breach out this low. That is a 1.44411. 1.14411. Price should not breach this level. So it should be ideally between this area. It should take out this high, come down low to this fair value gap area. Then we can continue higher. And what should be our target? The same high right over here, the second high right over here, and the relatively equal highs right over here. So what I'm expecting for this week is price to basically purge down, basically blow out these tops right over here, then came down to this fair value gap area, which is on the H4 time frame, so we can continue higher. And also we are on the new month, so the new month opening is basically right over here. This is a new month opening, alt V. So basically this is a new month opening, and we have not taken out neither the low neither the high in this range. So what I'm expecting is, if it really wants to go bullish, so it should take out the low, and then it will go out. So it will the profile of open, low, high, and close. So if it takes out the high and then it goes low and then it creates another high, that is also a case, because we have like not the big wick yet, so it would be the like the reversal wick. So this is on the euro. So DXY would be, let's go to the DXY and see what's cooking there. Did we got any major shift? Okay, on the DXY we got basically a major shift, because we have taken out this high. As I was expecting the last week, it has exactly happened like that. So what I'm expecting on the DXY is price to take out basically this low first, then this high first, then it should come down, and it should be like the ideal situation for the DXY if it really wants to go to the bearishness. And what will be the targets for this week? First thing first, I want this low to be taken out. After that, I want this high to be taken out, reacting from this fair value gap area. Then the first target should be like this 99.034 level, and after that, the target should be this relative equal lows on the 98.616 area, and after that we can basically target this swing low, which is right over here, and it is a 98.205 area. And this is the basically outlook for the this week. And I'm expecting peace all around the world, and I'm praying for everyone's safety, and I'm praying for the peace in the world, because we want to travel and we want to see a world, a blooming space, not a chaos. So this is up for the week. See you guys on the next week, and you can join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. You can join it, and I'm regularly posting there about the news, about the setups, so you can join that also. So see you next week. Bye bye.